the world of watch faces for our H9 Max. So these are the available watch faces for our smartwatch. Okay, beautiful looking watch faces, as you can see here. Okay, the sad thing about this is some are for sale, it's not free. Okay, so let's look for the free watch face. So there's a lot of options here. Okay, let's tap on this one. So this one is okay also, very feminine. Okay, let's try this one. Tap on it. Cold color daisies, download now, then use immediately. As you can see here, our smartwatch in just a few seconds will switch to download mode. Okay, so let's wait for it. 40%, 50. Okay, hopefully we'll have a successful download. 90%. And we have here our watch face. Nice. So far, the download is fast and seems like it's stable. No errors. Let's see if we have an additional watch face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's now 6. As you can see here, we have successfully downloaded a watch face. So in our smartwatch, it's already 6. So there are already 6 watch face. So let's see if we can add an additional watch face. So let's tap on this one. Then let's download this watch face. Then use immediately. So this is just 0.18 MB. Very lightweight. Okay, so we will have this watch face in just a few seconds. So 70, 80, 90, and we have here our watch face. Let's see if we have an additional watch face. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, as you can see, it's still 6. Our previous watch face, okay, has been overwritten. Okay, so I guess you can only have or download the watch face, okay, only watch face in our smartwatch. So one watch face at a time in our H9 Max smartwatch. So here are the watch faces. If you want to replace, I guess you just have to tap on it, then check. Okay, do we have to? Then let's see if we can replace it right away. Okay, the same steps. You have to download it again. Okay, I thought that if you already downloaded it, the changes or the replacement of the watch face, the changing of the watch face is fast, but it's not. Seems like you have to go to the first step again. Okay, go back to the first step. So that's it for the watch face, downloading of watch face on the dial mall. Let's see the DIY dial. So select a picture. So we'll pick our picture here. So we'll use this one. Then check. Completed. Let's go back. So we have here our custom watch face. Then check. So this is the time. Let's change the color. Let's make it black. Okay, can we change the position? Yes, we can. Then check. You can change the information also, the details here. In our case, we'll leave it as it is. Then save and use. So it is now uploading our custom watch face. So let's wait for it. So we do have here a progress bar. Let's wait for it to finish. And we have here our custom watch face. Okay, let's see. Our previous watch face has been replaced. No. Okay, so it's a separate one. Let's see. Let's count. 1, 2, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so a separate watch face for the custom and a separate watch face for the dial mall. So 1 and 1. So at least we have 7 watch face for our H9 Max smartwatch. So that's it for the demo of downloading of watch faces for the H9 Max smartwatch, as well as custom watch faces. If you find it useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.